Chapter 3. Understanding Birds. Very often you might have seen birds flying in the sky. They are of various colors and sizes. They are the only animals with feathers on their bodies. Colors and shapes of feathers help us distinguish between different birds and in some cases between males and females. Body parts of a bird. The head, wings, tail, legs, beak, eyes and toes are different parts of a bird's body. Beak. Birds have a beak which is used to catch and eat food. Depending on the type of food they eat, different birds have different types of beaks. Types of beaks: strong, sharp, and hooked beak. Examples are eagle, vulture, hawk. Strong, short and hard beak. Examples are sparrow, pigeon, peacock. Chisel-shaped beak examples are woodpecker, hoopoe. Long and pointed beak. Examples are sunbird, hummingbird. Strong and curved beak. Examples are parrot, parakeets. Broad and flat beak with holes. Examples are duck, goose. Strong, sharp and hooked beaks. Flesh-eating birds like eagles, hawks and vultures have strong, sharp and hooked beaks. They use their beaks to tear the flesh of their prey. These birds are also called birds of prey. Strong, short and hard beaks. Birds, such as sparrow, peacock and pigeon eat nuts and seeds. These birds have strong, short and hard beak which helps them to crack open their food. Chisel-shaped beaks. Some insect-eating birds like woodpecker and hoopoe have strong, chisel-shaped beaks. Using their beaks, they dig out holes in the tree trunks and pull out insects from the holes. Long and pointed beaks. Birds like hummingbirds and sunbirds have long and pointed beaks. They use their long and pointed beaks to suck the nectar from flowers. Birds like heron and kingfisher use their beaks to spear fish. Strong and curved beaks. Parrots and parakeets have curved beaks that help them eat nuts and hard fruits. Curved beaks help them to crack open their food. They also use their beaks to cling to the branches. Broad and flat beak. Some water birds like ducks and goose have broad and flat beaks, with tiny holes at the sides. They take in muddy water along with insects, worms and water plants. The mud and water flow out through the tiny holes, leaving the food inside the beak. Feet and claws. Birds use their feet and claws to catch and hold food and branches, to move or hop around and to protect themselves from their enemies. Perching birds. Perching birds like sparrows, crows and mynas have 3 toes in the front and 1 at the back. The back toe holds around and grips the branch, due to which these birds do not fall off even while sleeping. Climbing birds. Climbing birds like parrots and woodpeckers have 2 sharp front toes that point upwards and 2 toes that point downwards. These toes help them climb trees easily and cling on to them. Scratching birds. Hens scratch the ground to dig out insects and buried seeds. They have strong legs with 3 toes in front and 1 toe at the back. They have very hard and sharp claws to help them dig. Swimming birds. Water birds like ducks, swans and goose have webbed feet which help them to swim. They have 3 toes in the front and 1 toe at the back. The 3 front toes are joined by skin which forms web. This web helps them push water while swimming. Wading birds. Wading birds like cranes and herons have long legs with spread out toes. These toes help them stand on soft mud without getting sunk. These birds wade through muddy water in search of food without getting drenched. Flesh-eating birds. Flesh-eating birds like eagles, hawks have very strong and sharp claws called talons. They use their talons to catch and pick up small animals like rats, toads and mice. How do birds fly? Birds fly with the help of their wings, which are covered with feathers. The wings are attached with strong muscles. These muscles help the birds flap their wings. Birds move their wings to show two types of movements, the upstroke and the downstroke. During downstroke, the wings move downward and forward. During upstroke, the wings move upward and backward. Body of the birds is boat-shaped, which helps them cut through the air while flying. Their body is very light and made up of hollow bones. This helps them fly easily and stay gliding in the sky for a long period of time. The tail of a bird helps it to change its direction in the mid-flight. Flightless birds. There are over 9,000 different kinds of birds in the world. Most of them can fly. But there are some birds that cannot fly. The ostrich is the biggest and the heaviest flightless bird. Kiwi, rhea and emu are also flightless birds. Feathers. A bird's body is covered with soft and thin feathers. There are three kinds of feathers: body feathers, down feathers and flight feathers. Body feathers cover the body of the bird. They are often brightly colored and give its body a smooth shape. Down feathers are small and fluffy and are found under the body feathers. They keep the bird warm. A newborn bird has a lot of down feathers. Flight feathers are found mainly on the wings and tail. They are long, flat and strong feathers. They help the bird lift itself, provide the balance for flight and change direction. Birds' homes. Birds build nests mostly to lay eggs in them and to care for the baby birds. To build their nest, they choose places which are safe from enemies and bad weather. Some birds build their nests on trees, some on building tops or even on the ground. Birds build their nests using a variety of materials like leaves, cotton, paper, threads, wool, straw, feather and twigs. Birds build different kinds of nests. Scrape nests. Scrape nests are shallow depressions in the ground or in the leaf litter. They are sometimes lined with leaves, grasses, small stones or feathers. Birds like vulture, quail, penguin and ostrich build scrape nests. Burrow nests. Birds like swallow and kingfisher build burrow nests. These birds dig the ground with their bills and push the soil out of the cavity by shuffling their feet. Cavity nests. Birds like woodpecker, owl and parrot make a cavity in a living or a dead tree to form cavity nests. Woodpeckers use their chisel-like beaks to dig out their cavity nests. Cupped nests. Cup-shaped nests are built by birds like hummingbird and tailor bird. They are mostly made of grass and have a deep depression for the eggs. The tailor bird uses its beak like a needle to sew leaves together to make a nest. It also uses things like thread and wool to sew the leaves. This is why it is called the tailor bird. Pendant nests. Pendant nests are built by weaver bird and sunbird using twigs, straw and grass. The nest is very beautiful and strong and hangs from the branch of a tree. There is a tunnel-like opening at the bottom of the nest through which the bird enters its nest.